Is your Roborock S7 robot vacuum moving strangely? And when you check the wheels, do they look like, well, this? If that rubber is smooth, cracked, or practically gone, you found the reason your robot vacuum is acting so strangely. Think of these like the tires on your car. After miles of patrolling your home, that grippy tread simply disappears. Without it, your Roborock S7 can't climb rugs or even navigate basic floors without slipping. Ignoring those bald tires is a recipe for disaster. It forces the drive motors to work double time, which can lead to overheating, permanent motor damage, and a much shorter battery life. But don't panic, RoboCare has the perfect solution to get your Roborock S7 back on track. We've handled thousands of Roborock units, giving us the deep technical knowledge required to navigate the complexities of their drive systems. When the Roborock S7 comes to us, we don't just eyeball the problem. Our team uses specialized diagnostic equipment to ensure the movement issue is strictly a traction failure and not a hidden motor or motherboard fault. Once confirmed, we perform a precision wheel replacement using genuine components. We carefully disassemble the drive assembly, clear out any internal debris, and install new treads that provide the maximum grip your S7 needs to climb rugs and navigate hardwood with ease. At RoboCare, we pride ourselves on authoritative service and reliable results that save you from buying a brand new vacuum. But don't just take our word for it. Let's see the proof. Talk about a comeback. This Roborock S7 robot vacuum is back to navigating your home with factory-grade precision. No slipping, no sliding, just clean floors. Ready to get your robot vacuum back on track? Contact RoboCare today for expert repairs. Visit our website or call us to book your repair.